So I just wanted to show you guys my Target haul and Walmart haul that I just got. I just want to go ahead and say I'm sorry if these seem kind of like out of order and like all over the place. I'm just constantly showing you guys videos of the hauls that I'm doing for Christmas decorations. So this video is going to end up being like an all together video of all the things that I've gotten. So I'm getting different stuff throughout the weeks and different days, so that's kind of why they're all like jumping all over the place. But let's jump in and let me show you what I just got from Walmart and Target. Let me start with Walmart first. Oh my gosh. So I found this, the little, what's it called? The Niffler. I always forget the name of it. This is like so cute and fun, and this is my favorite character in the Fantastic Beasts series. Is my favorite character, really. I consider it to be my spirit animal. He's my favorite, and he reminds me of the dog that I used to have, Queso, because Queso kind of acted like him, always wanting to steal stuff and everything, so I love him, so I couldn't pass that up. I only saw one of his ornaments in the store at Walmart, so I had to like snatch it up real quick. The other thing that I got, if you saw my last Walmart video, then you saw where I went to the store and I got those, it was a blue box, the white lights, and I didn't think that through all the way. For some reason, I guess because I've never done this before, it didn't click in my head that I should get lights with green strings instead of white strings, so that way they blend into the tree. So I went to go, like, I had unboxed it and everything, went to go put it on the tree, and then it like hit me, oh, these should be green. So I went to Walmart and got 2 boxes of these green ones. They didn't have like the same kind, which I was really sad about, because I liked that one that saved like 80% on electricity or whatever. I thought that was awesome. But basically the same exact thing, just a red box, doesn't save as much energy. That's what it said, energy. Let's see. Oh, and then I got some candy canes, because who doesn't love candy canes? I thought this would be cute, like maybe on the tree. I'm not really big into putting candy canes on the tree, but we'll see how it goes. It depends on how many ornaments I have at the end of this. And I thought good for like coffee or hot chocolate, you know, whenever it's like boiling hot and you stick candy cane in there and then it melts and it starts to taste pepperminty. I love that. So that's the other reason that I got it. And then this isn't really Christmassy, but they had these dark chocolate Oreos that I got, and dark chocolate is my absolute favorite. I love dark chocolate. I ended up opening them on the ride home because I got hungry, and I was disappointed. They're not that good. They may be better with milk. I'm not sure yet, but based on the one cookie that I had, I would not buy these again. So let's move on to Target. Oh my gosh, this is the first thing that I got at Target. This is my favorite. It's this Califia Farms, I don't know, dairy-free almond milk creamer, and it's made with eggnog. And I love eggnog. My favorite eggnog though is Borden eggnog, but I thought this would be fun to try, and it's a creamer. So I like, you know, the peppermint mocha creamers, and the I just tried the gingerbread one. I wasn't really a huge fan, but I am hopeful about this. I think it's gonna taste really good. So that I got at Target. I don't know if I said that or not. I also got these little like guest towels, paper, you know, nice towels for Christmas. That's from Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. These are $2.99. So I'm excited about these. I don't know if I'll use them this year, but they're just cute, and they don't sell them online, so I was like, I gotta snatch these up while I can. The other thing that I got, again, I got another thing of Oreos, because the peppermint Oreos are my favorite, / the red Oreos. I guess it's not actually, is it peppermint? I don't know. Oh, okay, so it's just red color cream, but I mean, these are so fun. So I got these. I'm kind of sad now that they're not peppermint. I don't know why I thought they were do they make peppermint Oreos? I feel like they do, and I like those. I mean, I'm gonna like these too. And it's got like a cute little hat on it. Anyways, so I got that. The other thing I got was the gingerbread peeps again. I don't know if you saw that video where I had my disaster trip to Walmart, to Target, and I got these. I'll link that in the description down below. And they were really good. Tyler didn't like them. He said that they tasted too fake, but I thought they tasted better than like the gingerbread cookie dough mix that we have. And then I got the tree ones for Tyler since he didn't like the gingerbread ones. Let's see, the other thing that I got was this Balsam fir candle, because we needed a Christmas candle since our tree's fake. We need something that smells Christmassy. And it's a soy candle, hearth in hand, magnolia, same place. This was $14.99. Then I got the fireside one. Again, same hearth in hand, really pretty outer covering, and this was $12.99. I just love the smell of both of these. These both just smell like winter and Christmas to me, and I love it. And then the last two things that I got were some sheet masks for Tyler and I to do. So I got myself, if it'll stay still, this little like cute reindeer one, and it's just a hydrating sheet mask. It just says that it keeps your skin hydrated for longer, for brighter soothed skin, it evenly contours your face, blah blah blah. Okay, and then I got Tyler this little Santa Claus one for him to use, and his says as cool as a cucumber. His is a cooling sheet mask. Oh, I don't think he's gonna like that. Oh well, he's gonna wear it anyways because it's gonna be funny. So yeah, I'm excited about these two. I wish they would have had like a little male version of this, because originally I was just gonna get Tyler and I both these, but then I found the Santa Claus one and thought that that would be funny. But oh well. So yeah, that's what the Christmas stuff that I got today, / Oreos that I got today. Okay, so I finally just got all of the stuff in for Christmas decorations that I'm gonna get for this season. I may get some more stuff after Christmas whenever things start to go on sale, but for the time being, this is all that I'm getting. So yeah, sorry, I'm like sweating. It's so hot in our apartment right now. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. I got this little Mary sign at Walmart for $3 that I thought was really cute. Oh, and I forgot to show these. These are like my favorite things ever, and I'm really sad that I forgot to show them. But these are 2 coffee mugs that I got last year at Tuesday morning, I believe. And they have little tails. They're so cute. I love these so much. Okay, next, basically are some things that I did an unboxing video, but I'm just gonna show them here in case if you don't feel like watching both. And, oh, I forgot. Wait, where did it go? Okay. This pillow is one of them. Throw that back on the couch. And then the next thing is this little kitchen towel that's a gingerbread cookie recipe that I thought was just cute. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Put that off to the side. And then the next thing that I got are these little kitchen like napkin things. And they've got a little tree on them. I'm so excited for these. I think that they're so stinking cute. Oh, I love it. And then the last thing that I got is this tree skirt. And these last 3 things were from Heart in Hand with Magnolia. As you know, I talk about it every time I talk about Target. It's my favorite brand in the whole world. So I got this tree skirt. It's got little stars on it. And I just love it so much. Oh, one of the little stars came off. Oh well. I'm sure that we can fix that. But yeah, so I'm excited, and that's pretty much the last bit of things that I'm gonna get for the season. So that's pretty much the end of my Christmas decorations haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed all the things that I got. I don't even remember all the things that I got because it's just been like 3 weeks that I've been working on this. But this is the last bit of stuff that I have. So yeah, we're good to go. And I'm so ready for Christmas this year.